Yo guys, before we get into today's video, quick reminder, there's only 4 days left until the next Boston Apparel drop. One of the things I have not showed you guys whatsoever is all the M3 themed things that we've done. We have M3 themed sweaters, t-shirts, air fresheners, jet tags. So for all the M3 boys out there, or the people that just like the look of this, 4 days, November 15th at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Finally time we make this thing a little bit louder, boys. Good morning, welcome back to the channel. Finally gonna get started working on the E92 M3. This car's been sitting in the garage for a while. We've been focusing on like Evo stuff and of course the Duramax, but today we're bringing the E92 to the shop and we are gonna make this thing louder. I'm super stoked for this. So you guys already heard a cold start this morning. That was after the car has been sitting for like a week straight. So it was a true cold start. Now that the car is warm, let's do a little bit of a before rev. Show you guys how quiet this thing really is. And then later on we can do an after. As you guys can hear, she's definitely pretty quiet. Let's get it up on the lift. And let me show you guys what we're gonna do today. We're not replacing the exhaust, we're gonna be modding the exhaust. And the goal today is to spend as little money as possible. I think we can get this all done under 50 bucks. That's the plan. First time for everything. This is our first time having the M3 up on the lift. It's always kind of cool to check out underneath the car for the first time and see how she looks. This thing is pretty freaking clean, so I'm super stoked about that. This is a full factory exhaust system. I'm guessing this car was even lower than this at one point, because check that out. We got some rubbing and scraping going on there, and then even up front as well, there's some. All right, so what we're gonna do is pull off the exhaust from those clamps right there all the way to the back and get the muffler just sitting on the ground so we can get some work done on it. So it looks like we just have two clamps there, some hangers there, hangers on this side, that side as well, and up there in the center. Pull all those off and the muffler should drop off. Just got the muffler off, so we're gonna go ahead and slice this thing open. We're gonna make a cut here. It's gonna come across that seam there and then up on that inner seam right there on both sides, and that is gonna give us access and unlock all of the cool sound that we can actually get out of this factory system. I do plan on doing a full exhaust system on this car one day. The system that I want is very, very expensive and it's gonna take a while to get. So for now, this is what we're gonna end up with. Let's cut this thing open and I'll show you guys what we gotta do from there. So now that we have the muffler cut open, what we're gonna do is just peel back those layers like that. And all of this hair looking stuff, this is all called muffler packing. So we're gonna remove all this. When we're all said and done, we can put it back in. We don't need to. I think I will, just because, but it definitely doesn't need to be in there because it won't really serve a purpose. That's what all the muffler packing looks like when it's removed. Now the goal with this is to pretty much eliminate all these holes. So that's where when the exhaust enters right here, it runs through here and it comes out these holes and goes into the muffler packing. And that's what silences the exhaust by quite a bit. So if we cut these out and add in just a straight solid piece of pipe, that's gonna make the exhaust quite a bit louder. These ones down here, I'll talk to Austin, my brother, who's gonna be welding this for me. We can either cut that out, weld in a new piece, or I don't know if he just wants to tack up all those little holes on that lower piece, whatever's easy for him. We may have to cut open the other side of this exhaust as well. I thought just opening up the top part, we would have total access, but this bottom part, I don't think we can really weld the backside if we don't cut open both sides. I'm gonna go run around town, try and find some piping. I believe this is 2.5 inch, so 2.5 inch. And I'm gonna get everything set up just so right when we get to Austin, he doesn't have to really mess around with it. So the exhaust shop that I wanted to go to is closed, so I just went to O'Reilly's. 20 bucks or $18 later, we got two pieces of pipe. One that's bent, that's like a exhaust tip type of thing, like a little turn down, and then just a straight piece of 2.5. So let's see what we can fab up real quick. We are all set to head up to Austin's. Bobby is on her way right now bringing the Duramax because obviously that muffler is not going to fit in any of the cars. So in the meantime, I want to start with the M3 with no muffler at all and just see how it sounds.
Holy crap.
Oh, she sounds mint. That actually sounds really good with no muffler. Bob just got here. Bob, you liked it?
Yeah, I actually really did like that noise.
Well, you know when we get the new exhaust that comes in the future, are you high?
No.
Why do you have eyes that are watery?
Because I can't drive at nighttime.
Oh.
My eyes were like this the whole time.
Was it fun driving a big old truck?
Yeah.
We're modding my exhaust, my stock stuff. Did I tell you that? Ow, my back. I broke my back. My back is broken spinal.
Okay, time to go home now.
You're taking the block at your home.
Serious?
Yes.
Okay. That's a good deal. I think I'll do a heel click.
That was junk. I already know he's gonna laugh at my cuts and my piping that we have going on here because he's like a fab dude and I'm not really a fab dude. Think you can weld that bad boy up? So this guy is gonna sit like that. She ain't very pretty on the cuts, all right? Look at that nice angle cut. Damn. Pretty nice. And then that's for the other side. Can you tack those up? I don't know if you guys follow Austin's channel, but this is his pride and joy. This thing's insane. PDI swapped 94, I think, Toyota. And this is another project. But look how clean this thing is. Sheesh. She built. Here's how she looks up all finished inside. I know the welds aren't anything crazy because that factory piping in there is so thin, so it's kind of just like all tacked together. But we're gonna close it up now, then we should be able to head back to the shop and get this thing back on the car. Watch it be quieter. Probably will be. All right, boys, we're back in the shop now. The exhaust is all finished up. That took a lot longer than expected just because the metal, like the sheet metal on the actual muffler itself, all those welds right there, those took forever. But we're all finished up. Let's get this car back up in the air, get the exhaust on, and see how it sounds. We are only $18 deep in this exhaust right now. Obviously, it helps that my brother Austin can weld. But if you do all the work yourself and just bring it to a welder and have him just weld it, do none of the cuts or anything like that, it's probably gonna be very, very cheap. finished up. We just got the muffler back on. Let's go and fire it up, see how it sounds, and make sure we do not have any exhaust leaks. This thing sounds absolutely insane. For $18, we got that sound out of the M3. This thing sounds so freaking good with some exhaust. I feel like the car deserves a nice little bath, so let's get it cleaned up, and then we're gonna go do some rippers down the road, get some little flyby action, some POV, GoPro shots, and really show you guys how she sounds.
It does sound better, dude. What the fuck?
You built now, bro.
What's the mod?
You cut apart the muffler,
Yeah.
cut some stuff in there, and straight pipe some stuff in there.
Dude, that sounds way louder.
Yeah.
I thought it was just because it was really cold.
Perfect, dude. It sounds amazing.
Good.
Sounds good. I'm gonna give it a little ripper rev. Well guys, that is gonna be a wrap for today's video. Let me know down in the comment section below what you think of the new exhaust. Peace out, I'll see you tomorrow. 18 bucks.
Hey, that sounds good.